Hey everyone, welcome to Edupedia World. This is Varun Ganga, and in this class we are going to learn one more example regarding multiplication of numbers by Nikhlam Sutra by following procedure of case number 1. And to explain the example that I am going to take here is 992 into 989. So before going to start multiplication of these two numbers, what we have to do here is step number 1 that we have to follow here is we have to find the base. The base for these numbers, I think you would have expected, that is 1000. Why I am taking the base number as 1000 here means this 1000 is the only number that is very nearer to 992 as well as 989. After finding the base, what you have to do here is you just write down the number 992 like this, and also 989 below 992 like this by placing a horizontal bar as well as a vertical bar. After placing these two bars, now you just check the numbers 1000 and 992. Here the number 992 is 8 less than the number 1000. So the number is less. So you have to keep a negative sign with the number less, that is 8. So you have to write here minus 8. Now you just check the base on the next number 989. If you observe, you can say that that is 989 is 11 less than 1000. So you have to place 11 with negative sign in front of it like this, minus 11. After writing these two numbers, that is that these two are called as Nikhlams. After writing these two Nikhlams, we just multiply these two Nikhlams. What you are going to get here is 88. So minus 8 into minus 11, you will get 88. We just write that 88 below the right column like this. You can observe I have placed a 0 in front of 88. You know why? Because the number of digits that I have got in the product is only 2. But here in the base, the number of zeros what I have got is 3. The number is not at all equal. So in order to make these numbers equal, that is the count equal, what I have done here is I have placed just a 0 in front of 88. The value is not going to change. If I place this 0 after 88, the value definitely is going to change. So in order not to change the value, I have just placed a 0 in front of 88 so that the count of the digits that I have got in the product as well as the count of zeros in the base are now equal. After equalizing these counts, now we just move to the next step. Now what is the next step is you just do cross subtraction, that is 989 minus 8, or else you can do 992 minus 11. If you do cross subtraction either of the ways, you will get the same answer. So 992 minus 11, you will get 989. You just write down this answer in the left column like this. Now what you have to do, you just club these two answers what you got in the below columns, that is on the right column as well as the left column. If you club these two answers, then this will become as the product for the multiplication 992 and 989. So when you multiply 992 with 989, the answer or the product that you are going to get is 9,81,088. So you can do this in another way. And what is that another way means? We just multiply 981, that is the answer that you got in the left column, with the base. 981 into 1000, you will get 9,81,000. Now you just add the answer that you got in the right column to the answer of the product 981 and 1000. You will get 9,81,088. See, Why I am saying this method? Because in the upcoming examples we have to do in the following way, and this methodology is also followed in case number 2 as well as in case number 3. So for that purpose, let us start learning of this methodology. Hope that you have understood this example very well, how to apply Nikhlam Sutra while multiplying 3-digit numbers. Thank you.